Assalamualaikum and a very good day. We are from Group 10. We'll present our group assignment with the title Effects of Baking on Nutrient Composition, Protein, Vitamins, Minerals, Fats and Carbohydrate. This is our group members. So, my name is Isnur Azira Shafika binti Awa alias Naing, and I will present an introduction. Baking is a complex process that involves several steps, starting with mixing ingredients like flour, water, sugar, and fat to form a dough or batter. When making bread, kneading helps develop gluten, providing structure. Leavening agents like baking powder or yeast make the dough rise. Finally, baking in the oven causes chemical reactions that solidify the dough and determine its texture. Nutrients play a crucial role in our health. Proteins help in muscle growth, immune function, and tissue repair. Carbohydrates serve as the body's main energy source. Fats provide energy and aid in vitamin absorption. And lastly, vitamins and minerals are essential for immunity, bone health, and oxygen transport. The objective of this study is to analyze how temperature and time affect nutrient stability during baking. It also aims to find methods to reduce nutrient loss while maintaining the sensory qualities of baked products.
Next, we will proceed to effect of agricultural practice on the nutrient retentions. In protein, the grain's protein content and quality are greatly impacted by nitrogen, applications timing, rate, and technique. Amount of nitrogen will alter the balance of gliadin and glutenins, which will reduce the dough strength and elasticity of baked products. In vitamin, vitamin E serves as a natural antioxidant and preservative in bread. Hence, the reduced vitamin levels result from poor soil conditions or nutrient deficit such as sulfur and phosphorus. Besides that, in minerals, fertilization practices may affect mineral contents in food product. The synthetic fertilizer may overlook crucial micronutrients like ferrum, zinc, and sulfur, while providing nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen. Climate change also can influence the nutritional composition of crops. Last but not least, in carbohydrate, the soil nutrients availability influence how plants synthesize carbohydrates. Climate change, such as drought, can influence the carbohydrate content, which can cause grains to become more concentrated in sugars and alter the dough sweetness and also the fermentability.
Hello, my name is Julaiha, metric number BN22110224. Today I will talk about how proper handling preserves the nutritional quality and functionality of baking ingredients like protein, vitamins, minerals, fat, and carbohydrates. Improper handling such as overmixing, exposing ingredients to excessive heat, or improper storage can lead to nutrient loss, changes in texture, and reduced quality. So protein can lose functionality through overmixing or denaturation from high temperatures, while vitamins, especially water-soluble ones, B and C, can degrade easily with excessive washing and heat. As for minerals, although more stable, but it can leach into water during cooking, and for fats are prone to oxidation if overheated or exposed to air. Even carbohydrates, through resilience, can undergo undesirable changes like gelatinization or acrylamide formation. So gentle handling, proper temperature control, and minimizing unnecessary processing are key to preserving both the nutritional value and quality of baked goods. Okay, so now I'll be presenting about processing. Baking enhances the flavor and also texture of foods, but it can significantly impact their nutritional composition, including protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and also fats. High heat and long cooking times can lead to nutrient loss and transformation. Protein become more digestible through denaturation, but it may lose amino acid like lysine due to excessive heat. As for carbohydrates, undergo gelatinization, improving texture, but it can prolong but by prolonged baking can form harmful compounds like acrylamide. Vitamins, particularly heat-sensitive ones like vitamin C and vitamin B, can degrade easily during baking, while minerals, even though more stable, but it also can leach into water during pre-cooking. Fats contribute to texture and also flavor, but it may oxidize or break down under high heat. To preserve nutrients, control baking temperatures, reduce cooking times, and use fresh or minimally processed ingredients while considering alternatives like fat replacers. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Elizin Mindy with the matrix number BN2211021. Next, I will present about effect of storage on nutrient retention. The changes in the gluten network, moisture loss, and starch retrogradation can contribute to stalling during storage. Ributa et al. 2003 have mentioned that this is due to recrystallization of starch fraction. In minerals such as zinc and iron can still oxidize and undergo other chemical changes that could impact the bioavailability of baked product. In carbohydrate, dietary fiber and starch, which support baked goods nutritional and structural qualities, will change, as they will undergo retrogradation process which alters the digestibility and texture of the baked goods such as breads and also cake with pastries. In fat, the increased lipid content of whole grain flour, which include the bran enzymes, makes the susceptible to nutrient losses since it can turn rancid when exposed to light and air. In vitamins that are exposed to air, heat, and light, such as vitamin E, which is found in large quantities in whole grain, will also susceptible to oxidative retrogradation. Therefore, improper storage encourages the growth of mold and fungi, which can produce mycotoxins that harm grains' quality and endanger human health. Preserving grains and flour in dark, cool, and dry conditions with regulated humidity will help to reduce nutrient losses and other vital substances, including lipids, protein, and also dietary fiber. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good day everyone. Today I will discuss effective solution to mitigate nutrient loss during food processing and storage in baking. Let's start with food processing. To retain nutrients during baking, temperature control is crucial. Baking at moderate temperatures help preserve heat-sensitive vitamin and just like vitamin C and B vitamin, which are prone to degradation at high heat. Similarly, time management is essential, which shorter baking time minimize prolonged exposure to heat, further preserving nutrients. Next, we need to address surface browning. While browning enhances flavor, excessive browning can lead to nutrient loss and the formation of harmful compounds. By controlling browning process, such as using inhibitors like sulfur dioxide, we can maintain nutritional quality. Proper oven preheating is another key strategy, ensuring even cooking and avoiding unnecessary overheating. Lastly, the shape of the food matters. Thinner or smaller pieces bake faster, which reducing heat exposure and nutrient loss. Moving on to food storage, packaging plays a significant role. An advanced solution is modified atmosphere packaging, which is MAP. This method uses nitrogen as an inert gas and carbon dioxide to inhibit bacterial and mold growth. MAP system come in various forms such as thermoforming system, preform container machine, and also form fill seal machine and system. Studies also show that MAP significantly extends the shelf life of bakery items, making it a valuable innovation. Next, adding preservative like potassium sorbate effectively inhibits fungal growth and extends shelf life. Choosing the right packaging materials also protect foods from air and moisture, preventing nutrient degradation. Meanwhile, proper storage conditions such as cool and dry environment are critical, especially for baked goods like biscuits. For longer storage duration, freezing is highly effective. It halts enzymatic activity and preserves water-soluble vitamin. Alternatively, positive temperature storage can reduce refrigeration costs while maintaining bread texture and quality. By implementing these strategies, we can significantly enhance the nutrient retention of baked product. Thank you.
In conclusion, baking significantly affects the stability of nutrients in food. Protein may undergo the Maillard reaction, which can reduce the availability of amino acids. Water-soluble vitamins such as vitamin B and vitamin C tend to degrade at high temperatures, while fat-soluble vitamins are more stable but can still experience some loss. Minerals are generally heat-resistant, though slight losses can occur. Fats, on the other hand, may oxidize when exposed to excessive heat, potentially forming harmful compounds. Carbohydrates gelatinize, which improves their digestibility, but overheating can lead to the formation of acrylamide, a harmful substance. Therefore, optimizing baking conditions is essential to preserve nutrients while maintaining the overall quality and sensory characteristics of baked products. That's all from us. Thank you.